Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. In today's video, we're gonna talk about daily routine in Spanish. So let's start. First, we have to know what we call daily routine in Spanish. We call it as rutina diaria. Next is to wake someone up, despertar. To wake up, despertarse. To make the bed, hacer la cama. To get dressed, vestirse. To get ready, prepararse. To have a shower, ducharse. To clean your teeth, lavarse los dientes. To wash your hair, lavarse el pelo. To dry your hair, secarse el pelo. To comb your hair, peinarse. To dry your hands, secarse las manos. To have a shave, afiatarse. To clean your shoes, limpiarse los zapatos. To put on makeup, maquillarse. To put in your contact lens, ponerse las lentillas. To have breakfast, desayunar. To have lunch, almorzar. To have dinner, cenar. To cook lunch, hacer la comida. To feed the cat, dar de comer el gato. To water the plants, regar las plantas. To switch on the television, poner la televisión. To watch television, ver la televisión. To go to school, ir a la escuela. To go to work, ir al trabajo. To catch the bus or train, tomar el bus tren. To start work, empezar a trabajar. To get home from work, llegar a casa. To get undressed, desvestirse. To go to bed, acostarse. To set the alarm clock, poner el despertador. To have rest, tomarse un descanso. To fall asleep, dormirse. To have a sleepless night, pasar la noche en vela. To wash one's face, lavarse la cara. To wash one's hands, lavarse las manos. To put perfume on, perfumarse. To put on the clothes, ponerse la ropa. To take out the jacket, quitarse la chaqueta. To take out the clothes, quitarse la ropa. To cook, cocinar. To eat, comer. To have an optional snack, merendar. To prepare breakfast, preparar el desayuno. To do the shopping, hacer la compra. To listen to music, escuchar música. To meet friends, cuidar con los amigos. So our second last word for today's video is to go out. We call it as salir. And we have last word for today's video is I make coffee. We call it as hago café. So this is all about daily routine in Spanish language. I hope you well understand it. So you can also join me on Instagram. See you next video. Thank you.